What's up, guys? We just touched down in Hawaii. We're in Maui right now, and we're at this little beach right near our Airbnb, and it's all lava rocks. It's really cool. It's kind of hard to see because the sun is like washing it all out.
Water spider or something.
Water spider. We've had a long day and we're really tired, but we just came down here to catch the sunset because it's gonna look really good with all the clouds and the mountains and the rocks and stuff. What is it? What's any cool little animals down here? I don't like spiders. Spiders are scary. Probably some like, I don't know, starfish. I don't know. Sea urchin. Sea urchin.
It's moving. I don't know if it's really an urchin.
It is.
It moves.
I think that's what it's called. There's a sea urchin. Oh, water. Where is it?
Right here.
Sea urchin, right there. Looks like it hurts. And then there's one right here, too.
That would definitely hurt.
Move it.
No, it moves itself. Don't.
It's weird. It's real weird. There's another one right there. Where is it? Yeah. What's up, guys? We are out. This is day 2 in Maui. I'm going to show you the house real quick. We're staying at Airbnb. So here's the living room. Hello.
Hi.
Here's the living room right here. There's the kitchen. There's 2 bedrooms. This is 1 bedroom. And there's 2 bathrooms. You don't really need to see the bathroom. And there's upstairs. So we go upstairs. Up here. There's another balcony right here. If I can show you. Another balcony right there. It's like a private one. Nobody can see you. Here's a bathroom. Right here with a really nice shower. Took a shower last night. It was really good. I shut the light off. A lot of breath. I just ran up the stairs. Here's a bedroom. And then it's also a loft. What? Today we're going on the famous road to Hana, which is like the best road trip. One of the best road trips in the world because that and Pacific Coast Highway, Route 1 in California. Every road to Hana, every corner you make, there's another amazing view. So I'm told. I haven't looked up barely any pictures, so I'm in for a surprise, hopefully. And I don't really want to spoil anything, but we're gonna do the road to Hana, and then we're gonna get to, I don't really know how to say it. I'll post a link in the description or whatever, or right on the screen. Waianapanapa, I don't know how to say it. Anyways, the state park with the Black Sand Beach and crazy hikes and caves and lava tubes. So that's what we're doing today. It's gonna be a long day. Get ready for a lot of footage. Wait, let me show the view. Let's get ready to go. Let me put these back windows up. So we're parked over here. We're on the road to Hana, and we're parked over here. It's pouring out. They said it was gonna be sunny. It's like sunny and rainy halfway all the way through, but it's real lush and really green. So this is the road to Hana, which I was saying every corner is something crazy and cool. There's a little waterfall over here. It's nothing crazy, but it's cool. I'm gonna get up. Oh, it's not even worth it. This is the stupid waterfall. But yeah. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so we just came down this little path. Well, I don't know, at least two. There's actually another waterfall that I didn't show you. It's a little bigger. Still small, but a little bigger. And we're down this path. Come in! We're like in the rainforest right now. Whoa! Well, there it is. You coming? It's all muddy. Just got to Black Sand Beach, and first thing we found a cave. I'm going in. Going on the trail. It's called the Coastal Trail. It goes around the coastline off, and it says there's some incredible views. It looks like we're on a different planet, right? Looks like we're on planet Habuba. Planet Habubi. We're on planet Habubi. Look how blue that water is. You probably can't really tell by the camera, but the water is really blue.
Yes.
all the way on the east side of the island right now. Took us 2 hours to get here. Alright. Goodbye, Black Sand Beach.